that you can stop. You know that I've been training, right? The more you try to block me, the more that I control the fight. And now you on the ropes, now you on the ropes. What you gon' do? Quitting's not an option. That voice in your head that keeps telling you you got this lie to you, and now everybody's watching. You should've worked a little harder, cause man, your punches are garbage. I dream big, and that's the point.